What if I told you? You can create a money-making YouTube video without showing your face, without filming, and without editing. And the whole process takes less than 15 minutes. Would you believe it? Sounds too good to be true, right? But watch this video till the end. You'll be surprised how simple it actually is. And hey, if you're into AI tools, making money online, or saving time, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I share powerful tools like this every week. Lately, YouTube has been booming with faceless videos. Videos where no one appears on screen and no real voices are used. Just a good story, an engaging voiceover, and smooth visuals. And these videos rack up hundreds of thousands of views. And guess what? Most of them are made completely with AI, from script writing to voiceover to editing, all done with just a few clicks. There are two ways to make storytelling-style videos like these. Method 1. Do everything manually. Write scripts, record voice, edit scenes. Time-consuming and effort-heavy. Method 2. Use AI for the entire process. Fast, simple, and professional. And of course, today I'll show you Method 2, the smarter way. We'll use ChatGPT to write the script and VideoGen.io to build the video. First, you need to choose a topic that's easy to produce, goes viral easily, and earns well. Here's one hot topic right now. Stoicism, the ancient philosophy of inner strength. There are entire YouTube channels that just share Stoic quotes and stories, and they still pull in hundreds of thousands of views. Some report RPMs, earnings per 1,000 views, of up to $8 or more. Super profitable for AI faceless videos. You can search channels like The Stoic Path or Daily Stoic Quotes for inspiration. Now let's write the script. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Sample. Prompt. Write a storytelling YouTube video script in English about the topic. Train your mind to be strong, Stoic style. Use an inspiring, friendly tone for viewers aged 25 to 50. You can replace the topic, of course. The key is to clearly describe your audience, emotional tone, and video purpose. Once you get the draft, read through it. If it feels too long or wordy, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Prompt for editing. Rewrite the above script to be shorter and more focused, while keeping the emotional storytelling tone. And if your audience is American, don't forget to add, use natural American English that's conversational and easy to follow. Go to http:/videogen.io/via=profit. This AI platform lets you turn your script into a complete video, fast. After creating an account, click New Video. Choose the storytelling template. Select Landscape Mode for YouTube, language English. Then paste your script section by section into the dialog boxes. Want to create an AI video that's fast, eye-catching, and perfectly sized for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram? All right, let me show you how to do it using VideoGen.io, the tool I personally use to make faceless videos without filming or editing anything. Let's get started. After logging into VideoGen.io on the first screen, you'll see the option to select your video aspect ratio. Here you can choose from 3 formats, 9:16, vertical format, ideal for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. 1:1, square format, great for Instagram feed. 16:9, horizontal format, suitable for long-form YouTube videos or vlogs. For example, I'm making a video for TikTok, so I'll select 9:16. Then click Continue to proceed. When the new screen appears, you'll see fields to input the video title and the purpose of your video. You can fill them in like this. Title. Train your mind to be strong. Stoic style. Purpose. Create a motivational video using Stoic principles for self-development. Once you've entered the information, click Continue again. Now the system will take you to the main editing workspace. Here, you'll notice that VideoGen has already generated a default prompt. You should delete this default prompt completely because you already have a custom-written prompt from ChatGPT. No need to use the default one. Simply select all of the default prompt text, press delete, and you're good to go. Next, Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt you created earlier, then paste it into the prompt input box in VideoGen. For example, my prompt is, create a cinematic AI video in vertical format, 9 by 16, showing a man walking through stormy weather, reflecting on stoic quotes like, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." The tone should be inspirational and powerful. Add dramatic visuals and epic background music. After pasting the prompt, click Generate Video, and just wait a few minutes for the result. Now let me share a great tip to help you save money when using VideoGen, because this tool doesn't offer a free plan. When you're ready to upgrade your account, instead of choosing the monthly plan, go for the yearly plan. Why? Because it's already much cheaper than paying month by month. But here's the best part. Before you check out, make sure to enter the code HERE'S30. This promo code gives you an instant 30% discount on the entire annual plan. That means you'll only be paying a small amount each month, but you'll be able to create unlimited high-quality videos. If you're planning to make lots of videos for YouTube, affiliate marketing, product promotions, or building your own faceless channel, investing in the yearly plan is absolutely worth it. And don't forget the discount code. It can save you a lot. If you're not ready to commit long-term and just want to try out VideoGen for 1 month, there's still a way to save money. Before you check out, make sure to enter the promo code HERE'S30. This will instantly give you 30% off your first monthly plan. That means you can still access all the features, create faceless videos, use AI voices, auto-generate visuals, and only pay a small amount to get started. This option is perfect if you just want to test the tool, create a few videos to try out your niche, or build a side channel. And if it works well for you, you can always upgrade to the yearly plan later to save even more. So remember, if you're going with the monthly plan, don't forget to enter the code HERE'S30 to maximize your savings. Once your script is in, pick a voiceover. There are lots of voices. I usually go with an American female voice because it sounds smooth, natural, and relatable. You can add an avatar, AI presenter, but for faceless videos, you can skip it and keep things simple. And now, if you're curious what the video looks like when applying everything we've just talked about, don't go anywhere. I've used these exact stoic principles to create a special video, inspiring, reflective, and incredibly practical. You'll hear powerful reminders, like a close friend whispering in your ear each morning. Today, you are strong enough to face anything. Control what you can, and let go of the rest. The visuals, music, and narration blend together to help you not just understand Stoicism, but truly feel it. This isn't just for entertainment. It's medicine for the mind. Take a few minutes, sit down, silence your notifications, and watch the video I just made below. I believe you'll see yourself in a stronger version. Watch the video now and begin your journey to training your mind. The Stoic Way. VideoGen lets you add background music, text effects, and transitions. Pro tip: use calm, royalty-free music, or go without music if your content is serious. Add some light zoom or pan effects to keep viewer attention, but don't overdo it. And now, we've reached the final step, exporting your video. Once you've reviewed everything, visuals, voiceover, transitions, simply click the Export Video button at the top right corner. Make sure to choose the highest quality, and I highly recommend selecting 4K to ensure your video looks sharp and professional on YouTube. Right after that, the system will begin rendering. You won't have to wait long, usually just a few minutes. Once it's done, the finished video will be automatically sent to the email you registered with. Just open the email, click Download, and that's it. You've now got a high-quality, professional YouTube video, and the entire process took less than 15 minutes. Fast and effortless, right? So there you have it. Just 3 tools. ChatGPT, to write the script VideoGen, to build the video, a good topic, like Stoicism, and you're ready to build a faceless YouTube channel that actually earns money. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, smash that. Like button, comment, drop a comment. If you have questions, bell and subscribe to Petter AI Profit for more practical AI tutorials every week. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you how to create 100 AI videos a month using the same exact workflow.